Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClellan, and today I'm going to talk about Stellar. Now this cryptocurrency is in the top 100 guys, has been doing pretty big things. I'm going to dive into some details, how you guys can get a part of it, and what I'm going to be doing if I have to trade it. Let's dive right in. So first off guys, Stellar's ranked number 28 on the list. This is about 850,000 people's watch list. It's currently at 9 cents. And when it comes to this crypto guys, it has been taking some big L's. It used to be about, on its very high, it's been at 80 cents, currently at 9. Now on the monthly, it looks like it has been stabilizing this 7 cents, 7 to 11 cents. So it's right in the middle. So right now, it doesn't seem like a good time to get in on a leverage position, but on a cash position, maybe have a couple buy limits stacked down from like 8.5 cents down to 7.5 cents, down to 7 cents, and have it stacked down. So if I was going to do it, I'll probably put in, if I wanted to trade this, it'd be only with cash positions and place in maybe 2 to 3 buy limits. So if it does trend down, it'll catch me in the positions, and possibly I can catch it back up right there. But when it comes to this crypto, usually people, would stake it and, get some yield, but there's no staking when it comes to Stellar. So if you guys are looking at lending out your crypto, lending out Stellar, there are some platforms for you. I haven't personally done it. So if you guys have, please drop a comment below, tell us about it. But for me, guys, I have no idea, so I had to Google it. Basically, you can get, you can get some interest off of it. I don't know how much to be very precise about it. But if you guys, this is giving this out that there is a possibility for it. But if you guys are going to loan it out, try it out. Tell me what your guys' thoughts are. While you're there, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment on the video. Remember, not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And also giving you some knowledge about the loaning out program, because I didn't know about that until today. Also, so if it does hit me into these two positions here, I will swing it down. But if it heads down anywhere to these lower lows, I will be cutting my trade, because you're talking about like a 50% haircut. That's pretty big when you're looking at trading something like that. But if it hits down like 5 or 6%, I'll just cut my losses and see if I can enter it again. But if it does do that, I think the only high that it would probably get into is probably these highs right here, like the 12 cents. So it'd probably be a short-term trade from, from 9, 7, 8 cents all the way up to 12. So getting 4 cents on each coin. So it's not too bad of a trade. If you guys are perceiving it to go back to these highs, it could be. I don't see it doing that for a while. I just wanted to get onto a short-term trade, but that's my plan, guys. But besides that, guys, check out my website, andrejmcclinton.com. If you want to learn more about programming, I have some free education also, some indicators. So check out my website, guys, and like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.